Nabil is 10 years old. He lives with his mother and father. His father is kind. He tells stories. One day, Nabil's father gets sick. The doctor says, "You have cancer." Nabil visits his father every day. He brings him flowers. He reads to him. His father smiles, but he is tired. After some weeks, Nabil's father gets worse. One night, the doctor calls. Nabil's mother cries. She says, "Your father is gone." Nabil is very sad. He does not eat, he does not play, he misses his father. Many people come to say goodbye. They talk about Nabil's father. He was a good man, they say. He helped many people. At home, Nabil looks at a photo. It is a photo of him and his father. He holds it close. He says, "I love you, Dad." His mother hugs him. "It is okay to be sad," she says. "He is always in our hearts." Nabil nods. He knows his father is gone, but he will never forget him.